Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial for Picometrics connector for LinkedIn ads. So first we go to data sources, click on create data source. Then we type in Picometrics in the search bar. Okay, then we select LinkedIn ads with EI by Picometrics. Okay, then we are gonna have to go through the authentication process. Select your Google account. Give access to your Google account to Looker Studio. And here we go. Now we have to choose the ad account, choose the time increment. When you hover on this parameter, you see there's a description here. So it explains, select the type of time increment by which you want to group your campaign data from the following list. So you may choose all days to have the results for the whole period, which is recommended, or have results for smaller time slices, like for example, yearly, monthly, or daily. So for this time, I'm gonna choose daily, and then I check this radio button here, so I can change it uh, on the reports, like live. So result grouping. So do you want like the data at which level, like the campaign group, the creative, or the account, or the company, or by industry? So depending on what you want, how you want to group your data. Like for me, I'm gonna choose like campaign, which is recommended. So if you want the results by campaign, you choose this grouping here, this option. And then for the prompt, will be used for the EI. The prompt here allows you to speak and ask question in human language to your data for the best insights. You can leave it blank for now and check the allow prompt to be modified in the reports box below. So you can use it in the reports templates. And then in the report template, you leave it checked in order to get like the template automatically when you download the connector. So it allows you to see how to use the connector and see how you can use the EI to interact with your data. Then I'm gonna click on connect, allow parameter sharing on the reports. Okay, so it's missing assigned add account field. So I'm gonna add my account field, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So next step, we have all the fields that are brought in by the connector. And for some fields, you can have here like the description explaining what each field represents. So here you go. Some of them you have like the explanation for each field here. So if you have any questions, you can always go back to the schema and all the fields description and get an idea of what it means. So then I'm gonna click on create reports. And it's gonna go now and grab the LinkedIn ads template and bring all the data from your ad account. So here it says like no data because I have no data for this time frame. But if I change the time frame here, let's say uh, last quarter or last year, then I'm gonna click on apply. There you go. So now I have the data. And then you can filter here your data by campaign name or by group name, campaign group name. If you have any questions about this template or the Picometrics connector, you can always click on the button, book a demo, and you can contact us via the contact us form on the website. So here the prompt allows you to interact with your data as we said before. And here it says like the time of EI request size allowed for your subscription. There's a limit on the time size on the file size that you send to EI. So I'm gonna change this parameter here, time increment from daily to all days. So it groups the data in terms of the whole time frame that I want in order to decrease the size of the file that I will be sending to EI. And then here you go. I have now the answer of EI, like some insights on the campaigns during that time frame, and what are the key insights here, and what are the recommendations, so we can optimize and improve the performance of the campaign. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you have any question, just reach out to us via the link here, and we'll be glad to help you out. And One other thing that I'm gonna show you is that if the template doesn't show up like automatically when you download the connector, I'm gonna show you how to use the templates from the link that I provide on the description of this video. Grab the link, paste it in your browser, hit enter, then it's gonna download the template for you, and then we're gonna see how to create your own reports. Create copy. So if you have this message, I'm just gonna change the date here for the account so I can have some data because it says here no data. If I don't have any data, I'm gonna change it to last date, then it's gonna be able to grab the data from the API. Here we go. Then I'm gonna click on edit and share. So you create your own copy of these templates in your Looker Studio account, and you're gonna be able at that moment to change, of course, change the date here, share it with your colleagues and other users, and edit it as you wish. Hope you find this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.